Computer, I don't know how much longer I can make these videos.
I do not care. You must continue.
Oh. Break has a friend he'd like to introduce you to. His name is Continue, and he's another Python keyword. Let's say we have a list of numbers that we want to go through, and we want to check if there's a very specific situation where you don't want to do anything, and then every other situation there's a lot of things we want to do. So we would just say if, and then all the things that we want to check for, and if any of those are true, then we're going to say pass, right? Else we're going to do those operations. We've been over this earlier when we learned about pass. But now all the operations are indented inside an else statement inside the for loop, and it's kind of tacky. So there's a solution to this problem, and it comes in the form of the continue keyword. Basically, you can just say for num in numbers, and then we would say if, and then all our conditions, we would just write continue, which just means move on to your next loop through the code. So if it's on the number 5 and we find out that 5 doesn't match all these conditions, we'll just continue and we'll move on to 6. But then below the continue, unindented, you can write all the code you'd want to usually do if those conditions aren't true. And so this just allows you to have a little bit neater code, less indentation, but it's not a huge deal because you could have done this without continue, but continue just makes it look a little better.